Police officers, has a call ever made you cry? I thought I'd seen everything until one day, I got a call from a little kid in tears. Through his stuttering, I made out the words, cerebral palsy, and birthday party. No one came. Between every sentence, he apologized for bothering me, like he didn't think he was worth my time. So to prove him wrong, I waited until my shift was over and showed up at his front door with a birthday cake. I didn't know what to expect, but then his mom opened the door and rolled her eyes before saying, "You really wasting your time on this loser?" She then moved out of the way to reveal her son, a scrawny 10-year-old boy whose face was twitching. He ignored his mom and shouted, "You came! You really came!" His smile was so big, I thought his face might split. With permission, I picked him up and lightly spun him around. He laughed so hard he almost dropped the cake. I made a big deal of lighting the candles and singing happy birthday at the top of my lungs. But his mom had other ideas, because while I was doing all this, she was on TikTok, with the volume all the way up. I couldn't figure out whether it was on purpose or not, and next thing I knew, she blew the candles out before I was even finished singing, cut almost a quarter of the cake for herself, and retreated to her bedroom. I felt broken watching a mother do that to her son, but he was still grinning when he asked, "I can still do my birthday wish, yeah?" I nodded, and he closed his eyes so tight his face scrunched up, and he blew out the unlit candles. A month later, I introduced him to my son, and now they both have a new best friend.